Hello, you're filmed. Do you want to do something for Nana? Can you say something? Does Mum have bad breath? Is that what it is? You don't have to. What are you doing? Ali, look at the camera. Look at the camera, baby girl. Where are you going? Yeah. What are you doing? Are you going to run from me because I've got the camera? You are. Come here. Get a toy. Come on. Yeah, we'll make him do something. We'll show Nana what he does. I know. Here you go. Good girl. Good girl. You want to tickle him?